tiny car.
Wow, I love it. What is that? Show us.
Look.
It's got wheels. Woo!
I got to go over here to touch somebody.
And you got Henry Hoover.
It's so cool.
You want to get off and show everybody
Yeah.
what it looks like? Oh, that looks so cute. He's even got a compartment. What's that in there? Wow. Are you doing the Hoover already? What happened to it? Do you want to fix it? Shall I help you? Alright, let's help her. Oh no! It's stuck to me! Uzi, help! Mommy! Thank you!
Get set, go!
Wow, super fast! Yay, yay! Oh no! Uzi, Hoover's got Uzi now!
Let's put Henry in my air.
Uzi, do you want to have a go on Henry? Hey, Uzi? What is that? Teletubby?
Henry goes on his ass.
Oh no, it's sucking Teletubby up! Save Teletubby!
Oh, there's not enough there though.
Okay, you guys, I'm going.
Oh, do you want to do the Hoover for me?
You guys? Where's Buster? My Minnie Mouse.
Oh, she's got her Minnie Mouse to help Daddy.
Oh, thank you, fine. On the carpet, please.
Uzi, do you want to have a race? Go that way.
I'm
One.
away to Yaya.
Yay. One.
Right, let Uzi get straight. Straighten up, Uzi. And Mark. Yeah, that's it. Go!
Go, 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 go. Oh, he got stuck on the carpet. Yay. Are you going to put all of this cool stuff in your Henry? Do you want to get up and show everybody underneath? What are you going to put in?
And we're going to put in this, this.
Okay.
Look, Henry Hoover got a storage. Uzi, show them your Henry Hoover storage. Put it inside here, bro.
That's all his tools because he's a part-time builder.
Double boom.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna fit. Let's see. No, no fit, no fit.
Fit.
This one will fit. More smaller ones. Put more ones. Put more ones. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, now I have to do my Hoover.
Alright, bye guys.
Cut Henry White.
Oh no! Don't cut Henry.
Yeah.
Uzi, do you like the Henry ride-on? Or do you like the Hoover?
Hoover.
You like the Hoover better than the
But this one
ride-on?
is nice though. Look at
Yeah, it's so nice. Look, it looks exactly like the What are you doing
No,
to
don't do
Henry?
that. Henry's gonna cry.
He's soaring the wheels up. You're so cheeky.
Fix him. Willie, fix him.
Listen, Chubby.
Fix him with this one. He's first screwdriver. Fix Henry. Fix Henry.
You smashed it off, you cheeky boy. Okay, say bye-bye now.
So please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Yay. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.